In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a slide master layout in PowerPoint quickly and correctly. This is really useful when you want to clean up an old presentation, remove a layout you no longer need, or simplify your PowerPoint theme so your slides are easier to manage. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the View tab at the top of the screen. From there, click Slide Master. This opens the Slide Master view where you can manage the master slide and all of the layouts connected to it. On the left side, you'll see a panel with the Slide Master at the top and the different layouts underneath it. Take a moment to locate the layout you want to delete. This is the important part, because if you select the wrong one, you could remove the wrong design from your presentation. Once you've found the layout you want to remove, click it so it becomes highlighted. Now you have two ways to delete it. You can either click the delete button or simply press the delete key on your keyboard. PowerPoint will remove that layout from the master list right away. If you were using that layout on any slides, those slides may need to switch to a different layout afterward. So it's always a good idea to double check your presentation once the change is made. After deleting the layout, the final step is to exit Slide Master View. To do that, click Close Master View at the top of the screen. This will bring you back to your normal presentation view with the updated layout settings applied. And that's it. Your Slide Master layout has been removed in just a few clicks. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your PowerPoint file organized and get rid of layouts you don't need anymore. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.